Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Doesn't the bleed in the Fanta. Credit card in the scammers. Pandas, welcome to the stream. I'm bye money. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Pandas. We are back live, back at it again. Trading every single day live. I'm bye money. Trading the E-minis here. Today is the last day for BBM 90 and the 1 day to pass evals. That combination of things. Today is the last day, essentially, effectively what you can use. Otherwise, it's going to essentially, over the weekend you can't trade, so effectively you can't really use it. Pretty much today is the last day. I was thinking about it. I was thinking about taking Big Mama because the first one failed. I was thinking about taking the second attempt. I just thought it was going to do something like this rather. I'm reloading real quick. I thought it was going to oscillate like back and forth. I thought it was going to do something like... Oh. Okay. I reloaded my historical. Actually, it did. I actually was looking for this pattern, but I didn't realize my historical wasn't right. Oh man, I would have taken that 100%. Darn it. It's all good, Panis. Moving on. Moving on? Jeez. I didn't know it actually created a second entry long. I just reloaded and it looks different than it did. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. 90% off 1 day and 1 day to pass your evals. Right? When I say 1 day to pass your evals, doesn't mean you have to pass it in 1 day. It just means you can pass it in 1 day, which is amazing. You can literally be funded in 1 day. And the best part is it's 90% off, Pandas. That's like pennies on the dollar when you're talking about purchasing 50K evals. Yours truly is trading 150K evals right now. Still cheaper, right, to do that than even the 50% off resets. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. Hansman, good morning. D-Lou, welcome. Mo7. Hugh, good morning, guys. Ralph Gruns, welcome. Bill7, Bill7. 777. Scalp that like button, Pandas. Lou the Rider, good morning. Kid Poker. Welcome, everyone. Bill7. Market goes to the moon. Sometimes it crashes and burns. Black Light Gypsy, welcome, Emmanuel. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Emmanuel says, keep rapping, it's cool. The thing is, I don't know any more lyrics to that song. That's as far as I go. I didn't memorize more. That was it. Going to blow eval on insane move up on NQ. How do people buy the top of this? Does a 1 day pass count for account purchase before the offer? Yes. But you have to trade at least one time during the promo. So let's say like you have a past eval, but you only have 5 days of trading on it. Once you get once the promo starts, you need to trade at least 1 day during the promo. So you can just flip a micro and it'll count. I think sellers are getting out, which causes the price to go higher. Yep, that's exactly what happens on all-time highs and breakouts, right? Bears who are banking on reversing the market are basically capitulating Or they're just getting out thinking, well, they can if they can get in at a higher price, you know, might as well get out now and wait for higher prices. Warning to everyone, I'm learning more and more about what happened several weeks ago when I lost my PAs. If your NT crashes, your open content will get rid of the crossover orders you have. Wow, that's crazy. Your crossover micros will become just regular minis, so when you're buying multiple micros, you're exercising heavy. Wow, okay. Whew, that darn trade copier. Yeah, no, it could be your best friend, it could be your worst enemy. Jeez Louise. That's another thing about tick charts I don't like. The fact that you have to like reload your historical to get them correctly. Like, why can't it be right from the beginning? Why can't it just be right from the very beginning? You know what might have happened is when you when you press the crossover and your NT crash, you didn't have a chance to save it. It's basically a workspace, so you didn't have a chance to save it. So when you reloaded NT, it went back to the original settings before you. So I don't know when you switched them over to crossover, but if you did, then that's what I'm thinking might have happened. I mean, it's happened to me. Like you forget, like you know, you close like NT unexpectedly, and you realize, I mean, and you never saved. You actually didn't save the settings, so next time it opens, it reverts back to what it was. I've made every mistake. Like, think about a mistake you made. I've made that plus probably 5 times worse. What accounts are you trading now, Panda? These are funded accounts, 150K. Let's go. Thank goodness for the 90% off with the 1 day to pass. We are well funded here. It's sick. It's absolutely madness. I mean, it was so crazy. Like literally, the credit card processor could not even handle the amount of transactions. The something broke. BBM's good till Sunday, but today is basically the last day you can. But this combo of BBM 90 and 1 day to pass, essentially last day will be today, because today is the only day you can trade. I mean, you can technically do Sunday, but pretty much effectively this is the last day for it, trading wise. You know what? Let me say this, just so no one gets confused. Ends Sunday. How about that? So you're just not confused. No confusion here. I don't want to mislead anyone. All right, pandas. New rule. I need a punishment, pandas. What should my punishment be? I will only trade one contract for every trade. For now on. For now, at least until first payout. And if I don't, I need a punishment. Trading on Sunday counts as Monday. Yeah, so I don't know when that 1 day pass will end. I think the 1 day pass probably ends at 5 o'clock today. You know what? Let me change back. I think it ends. I think it probably ends on. No, the 1 day pass actually goes on. It's gonna go on until next Tuesday. So this is accurate. Yeah, this is accurate. Panda, how soon to break your own rules? If I could tell you that, then I don't know if I would make the rules. Trading full contract is good punishment. We will be. Get big notch. Did you pass all these PAs trading only one contract? No way. When it comes to like 90% off codes, like your best bet is to pass the accounts as fast as possible. Especially the 1 day to pass. Like the EV is too good. Expected value is just too good. I do max contracts. And news trades are your best bet. No joke. If you trade more than one contract, you trade sim for the rest of the day. Yeah, I need something. I need some punishment. What should the punishment be? You unsub every time you add. But who's gonna unsub? How do we know? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Markets opened. Okay. 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 Might fill the gap. 5-minute chart, right? There's a gap here. Might fill the gap. Looking to fill the gap, probably. I think. That means that we should stay away from a second entry long here. I don't know. I mean, it looks like a strong uptrend as well. Jeez. I mean, with a pattern that looks like this has much more room to go up. Much more room to go up. Can you believe it? 5,000 used to be a dream. Now we're already 100 points above 5,000. Can you believe that, Pandas? It's basically a hidden second entry long here. We're going to skip it. We're going to let it play itself out, do its thing. Basically bull flag, 10,000 tick chart. Right, bull flag, big move up, consolidation. All right, do pop up a little bit here. I mean, we could be all day uptrend day today again. Like, honestly, what's going to stop this new all-time highs? What can possibly stop this market? Pretty much nothing. Pretty much nada. Let me see the 5-minute develop a little bit. I mean, I'm thinking gap fill on the 5-minute. It's not like I'm going long here, Pandas. It's not like I'm just going to go long here. It doesn't make sense. I got to wait. I at least cut back to the 20 EMA. At least a second entry long. One of those two. It did neither. It did neither, Pandas. I can't just go long here. Even though it makes a nice little 3-point scalp. I can't just go long there, can I? If I trade more than one contract, whiskey punishment. Should that be it? Whiskey if I trade more than one contract. All right. I mean, is that really a punishment? I guess. All right, Pandas. If I trade more than one contract, I'm drinking whiskey. Slap yourself, audible slap on stream. I need an actual punishment. No violence against pandas. It's not a punishment, right? It's too good. You guys are not gonna get any pleasure out of that. I mean, would you? Maybe. It's still like 9:30 in the morning, so. Take the panda filter off. No. That's I already told you. 100K subs. I'll stream actual live. Face reveal. Real face reveal at 100K subs. $15 giveaway. Reward us with your bad behavior. $50 gift card if I trade more than one contract. Alright, let's do that. But the thing is, then you guys want me to trade more than one contract at that point. You guys are gonna hope I trade more than one contract. Is that a good bet? I don't know. But then I can't get a raffle. I don't know if I can get a raffle. I need something to raffle off of. I don't even know how to do that. I'll figure out a way. $50 gift card. Alright, has to be a subscriber. Random subscriber. I think I can find it. It's just a random. Just random viewer. How about that? I don't even know how to do that. Because if it's a random subscriber, who knows if they're even here. If the trade is worth it. Alright, pandas. That's the rules. If I trade more than one contract, I will donate a it will be a $50 gift card giveaway. I think that sounds better. It's just that. We give you $1 for each addition. Tate wants me to trade more than one contract. The more contracts you trade, the more you guys give to. You guys have to super chat. Okay, second entry long here, but ugly looking far away from 20 May. It's on breakout mode. I'm sitting on my pause. I don't have any inclination to go long here right now. It's late in trend. It's starting to, yeah, that means it's breakout mode right now for sure. Come back to the 20 EMA. Do I buy? I don't think so. I want to see a little more. I'm still thinking about the gap on the 5-minute chart. Thinking that this one might fill. Strong bull bar on the 5-minute ending near its high. Currently no follow through. Let's see if there's follow through. Push-ups. Hot sauce. Karaoke, pick the song. That is true punishment for you guys. I mean punishment for you, not for me. A person made another like trading rule. If you do a trade that could potentially destroy your accounts, do not take that trade, essentially. Trading one contract only, Pandas. Gotta discipline myself. What is this nonsense here? It is Friday, Pandas. Quick look at the daily chart. I mean, it's a strong bull bar. Looking for follow through now. The 5 minute, right? Big gap here. I'm thinking it'll fill, but I don't know. I really don't know. Right now, we're just in breakout mode. 10,006, not even close to the 20 MA right now, but so many bull bars. We'll see. We'll see. Could be a bull flag. Could potentially be a bull flag here. Okay. It's an OI pattern on the 5 minute. It's getting really tight right now. Very tight price action. Very small range. $10,006 chart, nothing to see really. The 5 minute, right? OI pattern. If it creates an OI pattern, that would be insane, actually. We can do an inside bar trade here. I don't like it, but we can attempt it here. I really don't like it, but I'll try. We'll make something out of nothing here. If it makes an OI pattern here, that'd be insane. Look how big this candle is. In order to make an OI pattern, the range for the next 5 minutes has to be less than 3 points. I timed this perfectly. Darn it. Might go without me. Alright, something wacky just happened. But basically, if you think you have a 50% chance to, more than a 50% chance to win this trade, take it. Do I think I have a more than 50% chance to win this trade? I actually have no idea. Yes? It's a winning system if you can enter these more than 50%. This looks bad. Looks very bad. It looks like it's going to take me out. Easy skip. Easy skip. Should have skipped that. I can't believe I'm still in this trade. It's actually unbelievable. I can't believe I'm still in this trade. What in the world? I mean, we're still in the trade, Pandas. We're still in. Incredible. I could skunk it. I could skunk it. Ooh. Ooh. Pandas. Can you... how did I survive that, Pandas? How did I actually survive that? No, can anyone answer that question? How did I actually survive that trade? How did I survive this pullback? Can anyone answer that question? Jeez. How did I survive that? Goodness gracious. I'm not out yet, Pandas. I'm not out yet. It looks good though, right? It looks decent. If we can get a nice bull bar like this, it looks really decent. Like decent enough just to hold it until we scalp out. It's a 1-to-1 trade. Oh, what? No. Whoa. Pandas. What? No. Stop. Stop. Stop it right now. Do not reverse on me. That's right. That's right. Shoryuken! Shoryuken! I don't know if I want to hold this, Pandas. I have to. I have to hold it. Come on. What? You're so... What in the world? Pandas! Is it gonna reverse on me? It missed it by 1 tick. Just like it missed my risk by 1 tick, it missed my target by 1 tick. Like, why would you save me like this if you're not gonna fill me here? What? That's actually crazy if we miss this. It's a strong bull bar. You're thinking follow through. It's just so much going for you here. Wow. Truly anything can happen in trading. Truly anything can happen in trading, Pandas. I'm holding it. I got the cojones. I don't know about you, but I got the diamond cojones. I don't know about you, but the diamond cojones are activated. Ultra activation, diamond cojones. Whoo! Pandas. Pandas. I feel like I gotta go for more than this. Should I get greedy? Should I get greedy, Pandas? Should I get more than this? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense, right, Pandas? Like, why would I get greedy right there? That doesn't make any sense. Why aren't you guys stopping me? Why aren't you stopping me from changing my plan? Cast greed +1. Front run yourself next time. Yeah, literally they front ran it by 1 tick. Oh, that's too much. That's too much, Pandas. I can't handle it. My cojones just shriveled up. My little panda cojones just shriveled up when I just saw that spike down. It completely shriveled up. And watch it work out now. Watch it work out now. Goodness gracious, Pandas. Like, if you want to shrivel up my cojones, that's exactly what you need to do. The problem is, Pandas. Oh, my Pandas. Pandas. It hit the 1-to-1. Pandas. It comes back down, and I got too scared. I skunk it, and it literally spikes up to the 1-to-1 risk reward, which I originally had. Wait, hold up, Pandas. Tell me that did not just happen. Did that just happen? Am I like... I need more cojones training. I need to like start punching my cojones every day until they become harder than diamonds. What in the world was that, Pandas? I hate this market. I hate trading. That's just cruel. That's just cruel. I mean, what? Did you not see what just happened? All right, okay, all right. Calm down. One contract, we'll get it, pandas. There's plenty of opportunity here. We just need to calm down and forget what just happened. Forget the market literally taking you out on your stop, and then going straight to your target right after you get skunk. Right after you skunk. Just forget it. Forget that just happened. That didn't happen. Sorry, Panda, eating something. Mrs. Panda just brought back home some duck donuts. I mean, how can you say no to that? How can you say no to that? If you don't know what that is, it's basically just like you can customize donuts. They make them fresh. So good. Wow, pandas. I mean, look at this. You know what's actually interesting though, pandas? Most people would have entered this trade one tick above and actually missed their one-to-one. I got a retracement, so I was able to get my one-to-one. How mad would you be if you're that guy?
10,000 tick trap.
Bamboo donuts. I should make panda donuts. All right, pushing up. Santiago Rivera. Thanks for subscribing. Make sure you scalp that like button. I'm just waiting here. I'll take the fail second entry long here if we get it. I will surely take it. With one contract, pandas. With one contract. Trading is cruel. It is 100%. That is just cruel what happened to me. Absolutely just... The market should get arrested for that. I feel violated.
10,000 tick trap.
Oh, never mind. I thought we were going to reverse here. It's starting to become a pretty tough trading range. You can see all of this nonsense building up here, creating this trading range, in my opinion. Let's use this guy. How about that? Should I just sell here, pandas? Should I do something a little crazy and just sell here? See what happens? I'm feeling all loosey-goosey right now because I'm trading only one contract. And I just feel like I can get away with so much. Only trading one contract. If I sell here, come back to the bottom of the trading range, give me one more push up and a reversal. Maybe I'll consider it. Okay. Yeah, pushing up. Give me one more reversal. I'll consider going short, actually. Because of the trading range. I'm going against the trend. That's the problem. I could really wait for a fail second entry long here as well. Might be the better bet. Truly. Wow. I usually don't do this, pandas. Oh, oh! It made so much sense. Ah, I was trying to go short there. I wussed out. I wussed out, pandas. I wussed out. It made sense to go short there, just because of trading range. We had two pushes up. The second push fails, reverses. It's basically a fail second entry long at the top of a trading range, right? Because this 3 magenta box. It's just showing the pandas. But what a weird looking setup, right? It's not one you normally take. Right, to go short right above the 20 MA like that. Like, I understand if you can't take that trade. It makes 100%, you know, it's super reasonable not to take that trade. I get it. But with this price action being so choppy right here, you're thinking potential fail breakout here. And this is that second push up I was looking for in reversal. I mean, who else can call it like that? I don't know. Called it exactly. I just couldn't take the trade. Like I said, I usually don't do it. I was calling it, but I usually don't do it. So I just don't feel comfortable doing stuff when I just normally don't do it. Probably filling the gap on the 5 minute. I don't know, maybe. Who said it moved too fast, couldn't get filled? Okay, that makes me feel a little bit better. That makes me feel a little bit better. Like, no matter what, even if I tried, I wouldn't be able to get in. Alright, I feel a little bit better. Thanks for that. Just passed another PA on that pullback in my Big Mama early. Let's go. Congratulations, Charles. Love to hear it. When you say pass another PA, does that mean you made payouts, or does that mean that you passed the eval? It means you got payouts, I think, right? That's what typically people mean. Lee8 says, hello, everyone. Been a year. Happy to see you are still trading. Let's go. Welcome back, Lee. It's been a while. I really haven't seen your name in a while. Lee8818888. Is that your real name? What does 888 mean? Avalon says the market gods are on my side. They were on your side, but not mine. Come back up into this trading range, Pandas. Second entry long triggers on the 10,000 tick. What a pullback. What a pullback. I mean, come right back into our trading range. Hard to go either way at this point. You know what? Let's see. I realize I don't have my trading range indicator on. Whoa. My trading range indicator goes way down here. It seems a bit far. But watch this. Watch it come all the way back down.
10,000 tick trap.
The trading range indicator essentially is saying that even though this move up is pretty far, it's so it went up in such a choppy way that it's acting like a trading range still, and we could potentially come back down all the way to this green line. That's what the trading range indicator is currently saying right now. Even though this move up is quite strong, or well, quite far, it moved up in such a way that the trading range indicator says, we're still, the trading range is still intact, still in play here. Lee says, Lee middle name? I get the Lee part. I'm asking about the 881888 part.
10,000 tick trap.
I mean, I understand the Lee part. That was kind of assumed. Pandas, thanks for joining. I'm Bob by Money. If you're just tuning in, we trade the Emini live every single day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for joining. Currently, we have the best promo ever to exist in all of history has ever existed. The best promo right now. It is code BBM, 90% off Apex evals with 1 day to pass evaluations. That means that you only need one single day to get funded. It's not 1 day. It's not 1 day max. It's 1 day min, Pandas. That's the big difference. It's not 1 day min. That's the big difference. Learn it. Learn the difference. It's big. It's huge. Thanks for joining, everyone. Appreciate everyone here. And it's good to see some old faces. Lee 881888. Sniper says, am I able to use a deluxe indicator on range charts? There is a free trial that you can use to see if it works on range charts. So before you purchase it, please try the free trial. All right. No excuses. No excuses. There's a free trial out there for you guys. All right, come back up. I don't know if I want the second entry short. This is looking wild at this point. Second entry short here. Ay. Man, I mean, it's making a triangle as well. If it's a good signal bar, maybe. Double top. Give me a good signal bar, I'll consider it. Signal bar is looking decent. Let's see how it ends. Let's see how it ends. Give me a bear bar. Give me a bear body. Give me a bear body. I'll take it. That's doji, no bear body. Small wrist, though. And sometimes you sound very knowledgeable of fundamentals. Do you have a background in economics? Ooh, trap trade. I'll take it. I'll take it back up. I'll take it back up into the trading range. Sure, why not? This feels risky, but I'll try. I'll try. You know, I don't want the outside bar reversal. I'll wait. I'll wait. This is making a triangle, so it's very hard to tell which way it's gonna break. It should go down, right, Pandas? This should go down, right? We got a strong move down. The next push should be downwards, but right now it's setting up to go upwards. Jeez. Man. I mean, that's hard to pass up this trade. It's a small risk too. I don't know. I do not have a background in economics, but I like it. I think it's interesting. I think it makes sense to me. Like the basics of it, right? Supply and demand. I mean, that's just 101. You don't even need a degree to know that. Supply and demand. And I'm not talking about supply and demand in terms of stock trading. I'm talking about supply and demand in terms of economics. Oh. I gotta try. I gotta try, right? I gotta try here. I think I gotta try. I don't know if I want a one-to-one. I gotta try. I think I gotta try. Micro double bottom here. Okay. Micro double bottom. Still micro triple bottom, maybe. I think I gotta try. Okay, breaks down. Okay. Okay. I feel that. I feel that. I feel that one. This is confusing, Pandas. To be honest, this is a little bit confusing. Like, to be really honest, this is a bit confusing. 10,000 tick chart looks bullish. But this looks choppy. Ooh. Huh. Okay, I'll try. I shall try. I'll take out the retracement if it does break up. Okay. Stay focused. It's looking so choppy, Pandas. We got 3 overlapping bars now. We got all this overlap here as well. This is looking sus, right? This is being confusing to me. It's not. I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking too much into it. I should just go long. Thinking too much about it, huh? It just looks so choppy. It looks very choppy, especially this area right here. This area looks very choppy. Right, so much overlap here, and just when it comes back into this little twilight area, we're getting all choppy again. This is confusing to me. Okay, micro triple top. And the 5-minute looks wacky as well, as mentioned in the chat. I mean, it does look wacky. We made that one-to-one here, but ever since then, Pandas, it's just... I mean, look at these big tails here. It looks like a trading range. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 overlapping bars. Complete overlapping. You got an inside bar here. You got an inside bar here. Jeez. Louise. Alright. Alright. Can you blame me for this one? Can you blame me for this one? No, I'm looking for a short. I'm looking for a short, Pandas. That's what I'm looking for right now. This looks wacky. It looks really wacky here. I'm not gonna lie. It's getting super overlapping. It just seems slow. It's one of those things that I'll be like, honestly, just step away from. I would step away from this. OII pattern on the 5-minute. The OII pattern on the 5-minute, pandas. The OII pattern. But it just looks choppy. Brace the bottom of the OII pattern. What do I mean by OII? Outside bar, inside bar, inside bar. OII means that this candle is the range of this candle, which is like the high and the low, completely encased in the high and low of the previous candle. And this candle is completely engulfed in the candle before it as well. OII pattern, breakout modes, triangle. It's essentially just a triangle right now, which is a triangle that I have drawn here on the 2000 tick chart, essentially. I guess it looks more like this. Confusing, pandas. This is wacky. Truly wacky here. It's so wacky, I just want to sit on my paws. I mean, I'm happy with my Chipotle burrito. 8.32 on the day. And that's what 4 Chipotle burritos across 4 accounts. I mean, I'll take it. Can you get a Chipotle burrito for 8.32? I don't know. Maybe no meat. No meat Chipotle burrito. Big Mac. Alright, we'll go with a Big Mac. I can get 4 Big Macs. Oh. I don't know, pandas. I'm just sitting on my paws. No meat, no avocado. It's just rice and lettuce for $8. Maybe some peppers. It's the ambiance, really. What you're looking for. I don't know, pandas. I honestly feel like this is just sit on your paws type day. But if you can make your money.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay, second entry long, higher low triggers on the 10,000 tick. Second entry long is about to trigger on the 5-minute as well. Yikes. Keep pushing back down. Just very confusing, to be honest. Very confusing. I don't know what to make of this, pandas. I'm just watching. I'm a spectator like you right now. I have no more information than you do. All the information I have is just what's ever on the charts. There's not much going on here, to be honest. Higher low here. Could be a nice move up, actually, here. It's just the range it's been is very small. It's a limit order market, pandas. It's a limit order market. Should we join in with the limit order market, pandas? Should we try? Okay, pops up here. Could be a nice move up, to be honest. Back to the top of the trading range. Seems like most likely. The 5-minute chart. It's been in this trading range all day. And notice on the 5-minute how the OII pattern fails to make a scalp on the downside, reverses, and people may be coming in, entering on this reversal, not only entering, But the bears who are down here may be reversing their trades at that point as well. Could cause a nice move up, to be honest. At the end, it just seems like a limit order market, though. It's like I should be selling like up here. I should be selling up here, huh?
10,000 tick trap.
Buyers above this pivot high. I mean, why not? Why not try for a nice little swing trade back to the bottom here? Alright, I'll sell up here. If we get up this high, I'll sell. Thinking trading range. Trading range day should be high enough. Steve Cruz. So, wait, today I only had to get $100 to reach the payout request, but had slippage and ended up getting What? This man's living the dream. You made slippage and it actually went for you? Wow. Alright, so to meet the 30% consistency rule, I went back and took a $400 loss to lower my profit number for the day. Is this a correct thing to do? Yeah, sure. Sure. Why not? Honestly, like, it's not that bad of an idea. It's actually like a 200 IQ move. You're playing chess while everyone else is playing tic-tac-toe. But I never really heard that. You made on slippage, you made money. It was for you. It went for you. Jeez, that's very rare. Very rare. It's a limit order market, pandas. I should be buying with limit orders here. Why am I trying to go short still? I gotta stay away from markets like these. I gotta just stay away. I gotta buy somewhere down here, not sell. Tell us a trick. Tell us how to get slippage to go for us. Because that's great. That's great news. It goes with the amount you make at the end of the day. So you did the right thing. It's not how much, not the highest points. What the highest amount you made in one day. Realized profits. Realized. It's realized. Should be realized. Pandas, what am I doing? I mean, this market's just wacky. I mean, so excited to trade today, and this is what we're getting. I mean, hey, at least I'm green. Green is green, right, pandas? I'd rather be green than red. And this is actually better than flat. A little upsetting, though, because my trade actually worked out. The trade actually worked out here. So frustrating. What is going on, pandas? I don't know. Can you think of anything that is more limit ordery than this? This is the definition of limit order. Okay. You know what, Pandas? This is why you need a community like this one. Because otherwise you'll have to stare at this pain all by yourself. Dare I pull up the encyclopedia? Dare I pull up the Albrook's encyclopedia right now?
Trap.
Dare I? Should I give you guys that service? I use my precious resources to purchase this, and you guys benefit from it. Should I? Dare I dive in to the Albrook's encyclopedia right now? What? All right, gap up day but ranging. That's what we're seeing. This is what we're identifying this day as. Gap up but range. Let's see if I can find that. Honestly, trading range days are the hardest. I mean, this is pure trading range. What can I say? Oh! Alright, trap triggers. That could be a nice move down. Okay. Well, if we're truly in trading range day, we should be buying here, but this setup is very bearish right now. Very bearish setup right here. You're thinking testing the 20 EMA at least. Oh, sorry, you're not seeing the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart triggered a trap, and it's a very bearish setup. And you're thinking it should be strong enough to come at least to the 20 EMA. At least to the 20 EMA, in my opinion. It makes me want to just sell it now because of that. The risk is quite large. Oh, I'll just wait for the trap. Fail second entry long. Let's get it. Fail second entry long is my setup, Pandas. It's the dream. A, B, C. It's the dream, Pandas. Can we get it? Can we get the dream? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Or we're just in the trading range, comes all the way back to the top of the trading range. I mean, it could easily do that too, Pandas. I mean, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong, you know. Easy to come back up to the top of the trading range. Alright, alright, okay, alright, alright. You gotta recognize when you're wrong. The quicker you realize that, the better you become. Wow, what a move up.
10,000 tick trap.
Alright. I mean, 10,000 tick. Looks somewhat bullish right now. What can I say? 1, 2, 3. I mean, it's a big triangle. It's a triangle, pandas. Like, there's no denying it. It's just straight up the most triangular thing you can possibly imagine right now. This is the triangle of triangles. It's basically an inside bar on a higher time frame. OI pattern. Maybe on the hourly or 30-minute. The nature itself of this market is very choppy. So it's hard for me to enter into like this long. Typically would be a decent setup, to be honest, if it does trigger. But looking at the market, it's just hard to say. It's really hard to say. Ralph Free says, not sure I would intentionally take a loss on a PA account since you aren't trading higher than the normal number of accounts and the price spiked and gave you bonus. I'd have left it. The problem is right now, I think from what I'm hearing, Apex is cracking down and they're starting to enforce a 30% rule of the consistency rule. And that's the reason why I think it's not that bad of an idea. Right now, like they're on high alert because so many traders, I think, are getting to payouts right now because of the 1 day to pass and the super aggressive 90% off. So they want to prevent themselves for as much as possible giving out payouts that they shouldn't be. So I think they're being a little like they're kind of being a little more mechanical in terms of their enforcing the 30% rule. But I could be wrong. I mean, just from what I'm hearing, people are actually saying like I can't get my payouts because of the consistency rule, which is like it's fair, right? Because we all agree to the consistency rule. When you pay for that, the PA account, you're agreeing to the fact that Apex can enforce the consistency rule on you, and there's just you can't make a fuss about it. It's just what it is. So I actually don't think it's that bad of an idea to fit into that consistency rule. Angel says, is Sunday the last day I'm able to purchase 90% off? Yes, Sunday. It ends on the 25th. It's Sunday. Sunday's the last day. But do your due diligence. Do your due diligence. Salter, what's your opinion on Apex using Plain as payment source from now on? Just got the invitation email. I have no idea. I don't use it, so I can't say, but I'm sure it's fine. I mean, I'm sure it's fine. I can't say much about it. Wow, this price action is horrid. We actually get the fail second entry long here. Interesting. I think you're better off today just sitting on your paws, just watching this do its thing, its nasty thing. Ooh, okay, pushing down. Okay, makes sense. Could break down here. Maybe finally breaking out of the triangle that it's been stuck in for the last hour. Right, the 5 minutes been in a triangle, finally breaking down this triangle. I mean, you got a gap that you might want to fill. 20 EMA you want to touch. The previous day's high that you may want to test. So many levels beneath it to kind of bounce off of or try to get down to. Most likely going to go down again. Strong bear bar, any near slow 5-minute chart. Most likely follow through here. I mean, you got to touch 20 EMA. That's what you're thinking. At the very least. At the very least. Okay, 20 EMA touched. I mean, if this trap triggered like at a reasonable place underneath the 20 EMA, but look, it pops up above the 20 EMA. Does this wackiness here, and then the trap triggers at a nice little swing trade, right? More than 5 points. But I mean, I'm not taking it like that. You know, I have more dignity than that, pandas. I'm not gonna just take that setup. Okay. Okie dokie. Limit orders, right? People still buying beneath this low. Limit order market still very much in play here. Jeez. By the way, pandas, if you don't know, Avatar was released yesterday on Netflix, and it is good. It is so good. I mean, I was so worried. Trust me, I was very skeptical. I had my skeptical lenses on too, and they cracked them. They smashed them. They went all out. They went all out on Avatar. And I think it's like it's very good. It's very good. I think it's very good. No, stop it. Stop it right now. Stop it right now. James stop it. Yes, they're saying pretty close. They're actually saying pretty close. I thought that the CG was gonna. I think it's the best live action that anyone has ever done. I think personally, best live action anyone has ever done, from a cartoon / anime to real life. It's the best. It's the best adaptation. It is good. I would highly recommend it. I think it's very good. It's actually almost like for adults. It's almost for adults because it's actually kind of violent. It's pretty violent. I think it is, at least. I mean, it's. But I'm saying that there are a couple of things I was worried about: the CG, and the acting. The CG and the acting, and both of them are top marks. I think it's very good. Avatar: Last Airbender. It's like a cartoon series. If you grew up if you're like a '90s kid, you grew up watching Avatar on Nickelodeon, and it was probably the most compelling and interesting things like Nickelodeon has ever made. And I think if and they basically made a live action of it, and it's very good. Look it up. Avatar: Last Airbender. It's actually so good. Goodness gracious. I mean, it surprised me. I even was skeptical. I was like, this is gonna suck. I mean, I loved the series, so like my expectations were high. My it was like it would be hard to please me, and I was pretty happy. It's the Last Airbender. Yep. Last Airbender. Whoa. Blacklight almost sipping his poison twice. Oh, yeah, yeah. If you didn't have cable, then you know. You most likely your favorite cartoon was probably Arthur. If you didn't have cable, if you're low income, then your favorite cartoon was most likely Arthur. Everyone on Twitter was there's wow that no way. I don't care what they say, they are tripping. It is actually good. It's actually very good. Reading Rainbow. I never I never personally chose to watch Reading Rainbow. It was always shown in school. I never on my own free will watched Reading Rainbow. Magic School Bus. Okay, that's kind of fun. Wow. All right, pandas. I don't know. Still limit order market. Amazing. Second is short in the limit order market. Let's see if my trading range indicator is better than manually drawing it here. Or if I were to manually draw this, I would probably draw it like this. But my trading range indicator is saying that we may come back down here on this green line. Let's see which one's better. I mean, manual is typically better. I mean, definitely in the short term, this one's good. But look, we failed to hit the top, and we're making lower highs every time. It doesn't make sense. We're above the 20 MA on the. I can't do this, man. Too much confusion for me. It's too 50-50 for me, to be honest. I feel like maybe slightly 60% to go down here, but slightly higher chance. Yeah, I mean, trading range days like this are just so tough, very tough. I gotta get better. I gotta get used to trading with limit orders. I really do. Your NT still crashing? Black, I thought you fixed it. That is so weird. I mean, I've never seen that many issues with NT. My NT is quite actually kind of stable, surprisingly. Look at this, lower highs and lower lows every time. Second edge short. 5 minute almost looks bullish with that move up. This nice, right, inside bar, nice signal bar here. But we are in a limit order market, Panda, so even though this looks nice, you gotta expect some limit orders up here. I don't know. I mean, it looks really nice. Coming off the 20 EMA too. Jeez. It's just the market cycle right now is telling me more of a trading range than anything. It's popping up a little bit here. Is today the full moon? Huh. Okay. We are bouncing off the top of this trend line, technically. I might want to go short here. I don't know. Just for something, for some content. I have no idea though, Pandas. Trap trade to the long side. I don't know. Okay, that short works out. Okay. Pushing down hard. I have no idea, Pandas. I'm glad that I'm sitting on my paws. I don't really have much to do here. And I'm glad I have this community. Because on days like this, you really want to rip all your fur out. It is what it is, Pandas. We move on. We wait for the next day. We're hoping that Monday will be a better day. I mean, you can only take what the market gives you. If it gives you this much chop, I mean, look at the 5 minute. It's actually poising itself for a wedge to go to the upside here. I don't know. Sonic, this is the best limit order market day. Let's go. Someone knows how to trade limit orders. Not this Panda. I can call it out, but I don't have the cojones to do it. I don't have the right mindset to do the limit order trading. I don't have the mindset. I can't do it. It's too hard. You know what though, Pandas? It looks like my trading range indicator is gonna be ultimately correct here. I mean, I could be wrong. We're very close to hitting the bottom of the trading range on my trading range indicator. Woo! Big push down. So at what point do I buy here with limit orders? Like, I don't know if I can do that. I don't know, Pin. I'm going short here. Strong bear bar, 5-minute chart. You're thinking some follow through. Get to the previous day's high. I don't know. Something like that. Don't copy my trades. Last trade of the stream if we get it. But it's been a limit order market. You're thinking buyers below. I don't know. We're short here, Panis. Limit order market. That's the punishment I get for trying to sell with a stop order in the limit order market. It just reverses instantaneously the moment I enter in the trade. Goodness gracious. I was thinking some follow through on the 5-minute. Right, some follow through on the 5-minute candle coming back to the previous day's high. Just some follow through after a little pullback on the smaller time frame. I'm gonna get hit here, but maybe wait for the second entry short. I'll try again. I'll try again, second entry short. Dumb trade. Dumb trade. Even if it works, probably dumb trade. I don't know what's happening. I could have came out break even, and then I thought it was gonna stop me out, and it's still we're still alive, pandas. I don't know how it's possible. Definitely buyers beneath. Showing their colors here. All right, back to break even. It is what it is, pandas. It simply is what it is. If it takes me out, it takes me out. But goodness gracious, how many times can you tease me here? 2 bear bars underneath the 20 MA at this point. Right, 2 bear bars underneath the 20 MA, always in short. That's what always in short traders are thinking. I could extend my stop loss like up to here, but I mean that's huge risk. I'm okay with taking the paper cut. I'd rather just take the paper cut here, move on.
10,000 tick trap.
Yeah, it takes me out. Could have came out a couple of times, but I thought we had the 2 bear bars underneath the 20 May. We could have made a big move down. I thought we were potentially going to do that. And at least test right the previous day's high, and maybe try to attempt to fill the gap. And that was my trade, that my risk that I thought was worth taking, that small risk for the big reward here, but obviously doesn't work out. So, all right, last trade, Pandas. I'll see you guys. I mean, I'll take this small hit, $100 hit for potential like, $200 to $300 win. I'll take it. But Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow or on Monday. Remember, today's the last day. You can take advantage of the 90% off, and make sure and then one day pass. 90% off lasts until Sunday. But effectively, today's the last day you can use both of them because you're not gonna really, unless you trade on Sunday. But other than that, there's no real way you can take advantage of the 1 day to pass promo. And so, Pandas, take advantage of it while you can. And I hope you guys trade safe. And other than that, have an amazing weekend, everyone. I'll see you guys bright and early next week, Monday, 9 o'clock for the pre-market show, 9:15 for the mainstream. Hope to see everyone there. Thanks for joining, and it's been a great time. That being said, Pandas. As always, happy trading, God bless. Bye.